connecting everything up today. We've spent about 4 or 5 hours today putting on the exhaust, putting up with the rain and putting up with all the noise you can hear on this very busy road. We're at the point now of starting the car. I'm just connecting up the bottom hose and Cameron's just getting some water now. It took about 2 days to get the engine into the car, and with the help of friends and neighbors, we were able to get the engine connected to the gearbox, and that was a very hard thing to do. You have to raise the car to a very, very high angle to actually get the engine and the gearbox into the car. At this stage, we are just connecting up everything, filling up the water, connecting up the battery. As you can see, I go to the back to connect the battery because we were hoping to actually start the car today, but it wasn't meant to be. But at this stage, you really have to take everything slowly, because one mistake and you go back 2 places. So, watch this next clip. That's fine. Because I don't want pressure in the water. The header tank is flat. Don't worry too much about it.
Is everything connected? There's enough oil?
There's enough oil, yes. There's enough oil in there. Okay, here we go. The battery's low.
Oh, is the battery low?
Oh my god. Oh boy. Battery showing. When the engine was actually placed into the car, I tried to start it, as you can see, but I hadn't connected the earth lead to the engine. So we continued to work on the car and connected all the other bits and pieces, all the hoses, all the electrics. I had to redo the electrics from the starter motor, and then after starting the car, as you can see at the end of this video, I had to take the engine out again because I had a problem with the clutch. And as you can see in my following video, where I actually put the fuel line, the hydraulic clutch instead of the mechanical clutch. I'll video the rest of it, because this is just the best day ever. guys, I hope you've enjoyed my lockdown diaries. So if you wish to see more of these kind of videos, please subscribe and click the like button. In the meantime, stay crazy.